Bitcoin is sitting north of $9,000, looking to break 10 grand. Is this the day that it's going to happen? It's yet to be seen, but one thing you know for sure is money to make in between. So let's go ahead and make this money.
Like a boss.
Live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. Before we jump into it on BTC, let me let you know I do have a new channel on Library. It's actually not that new. This thing has been publishing my videos for quite some time, y'all. I got 500 something videos on here, 747 followers. I'm one of the top crypto publishing pages on here. And guess what? Your boy got the handle at Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to change the world, people. I'm trying to help my people make some money. You know what I'm saying? And I think Library is going to be a great platform to definitely bridge out on, especially because everybody is getting purged out here, man. It's like, you know what I'm saying, the powers that be behind the juggernaut authority, currently known as Alphabet, Google, and YouTube. They don't want this good message to get out. I'm just trying to help the people, man. You know what I'm saying? So if Library gave me the #1 handle on the platform and I'm one of the top pages on there, I think I might have to start making some exclusive video for LBRY. So make sure you follow me on there if you haven't done it yet. Like I said, 747, man. We about to take off flying. And if you haven't done it yet, join the free Telegram community. 600 plus people are in there. The link is in the description for you. If you just want help getting set up on the blockchain, have some beginner questions, or you're an expert and you want to share your insight and your expertise, jump in there, man. We got people from all over the world helping each other make some money. It's a beautiful thing. So here we go, man. This is BTC to the USD. This is my methodology that I use. It looks different than 99% of other crypto traders on YouTube. That's because 99% of other crypto traders don't know how to make no money. I do. It's called the boss method. If you want to learn how to use it, go over to Google, type in how to chart like a boss. Watch the playlist right there that populates up at the top of the window. It is 100% free right now. That will not be the case forever. And if you haven't done it yet, make sure you subscribe, turn your notifications on, smash that bell. Your boy is coming on the air to try to help you make money. So if you appreciate that, I appreciate you. Let's make it do what it do. Here we go, man. BTC to the USD. This is a simple Fibonacci. We are doing this on a 33-minute chart. This is essentially what we just had, right? Breakout to breakout. We had two big cycles, right? This was the first one, and we are experiencing the second one. Actually, that was the second one. This is the third one, right? So if you're into Elliott waves, you know, I think we could be on wave 3 or technically wave 5, depending on how you want to count it, right? The biggest thing to note is that this little midsection right there, that limbo land area between the 2.2 and the 2.6, kind of where it goes ping pong, just shooting back and forth, that's going to be our macro support area. This is basically a solidified area in the chart where there was some turbulence. So if by any chance, you know, you see Bitcoin do something like this, if I can get my little paintbrush, there we go, do something like that, right, and come down, we'll still have a good chance to catch there because again, we had a lot of capitulation over there. So whatever happens on that side, 9 out of 10 times will happen on that side as well, right? What happens in the past happens in the future, as long as you know how to correlate your presence, right? This is where I think we could easily be headed. That's 10.4 to 10.7. And if we look at a vertical Fibonacci, this is how soon I think we can get there. Ideally, you're going to see this thing pop between the 7th and the 11th. Today was the 7th. Those were the 2 days I gave you on my last video, the 7th and the 11th, right? This first little bar was the 7th. That's the day we popped. And then I think you'll see this thing start to capstone out probably around the 12th to the 14th, right? And that's initially where you can see Bitcoin peak out, I think, on this energy cycle before it comes back down to confirm 9,000 as the floor. You can see this thing peak out right here, right around 10.5, 10.6, somewhere in there, right? Now, keep in mind, this is the candles. My methodology is drawn to the intersections of simple moving averages. So I don't really, like to specify candle prices. But when I do, I'm normally fairly accurate with it. So again, this is shooting up on these candles. This thing is just taking off. I think you'll probably see some more energy come in here probably early morning on the 10th. And again, I think we can get as high as, this thing is saying as high as 10.75, I do have a VIP trading group, and we are playing Bitcoin to the up. We never bet against Bitcoin. When it's on an uptrend, at least we try not to. And yeah, that's almost another confirmation right there when you get that little guy, right? So that's kind of the peak energy on this thing. And then you got it running basically to right there, right? That looks pretty good. And again, this is, take this one down, just put that right there. Move two of those. This is between the 13th and the 19th. Now keep in mind, that's like, it seems like a long way. So essentially what that's saying is we could actually do something like this to where Bitcoin right now it's at 9.8. Say it just drops, right? Say it does that, drops to 92, right? We still have time to ride that back up before we get our next hit, right? Or we could just continue up, hit it now, come back down, go flat, hit it again, and look to break out on that second go run, right? I'm leaning more towards the side of hitting it early. You know what I'm saying? I think Bitcoin is hot right now, and when it's hot, it's hot. Like, a lot of people want to see this thing go up to 10K, but remember, we still have this green line as kind of like our buffer zone, and this is exactly what I showed you in this last video. It's like when when all the moving intersections and the averages come into contact with that green line, that's go time. You know what I'm saying? And if that's what happens right there, May 12th, May 13th, then you best believe we're going to be breaking 10 grand. Trying to smack our head on 11, probably 10.8, I would say, is the capstone, moving up that chart, right? Last thing I want to try to do here is a quick, let's see if we could do, let me see what this does. Yeah, that's basically the ceiling. The midline. I like the midline. Yep. Then the last thing. I have one of these right here. This is our quick energy, right? And that's all it is. This is our quick energy coming back. Had a breakout, consolidation, breakout. And again, all signs are pointing to May 13th, between May 13th and May 18th as the peak moment, because basically once them things cross over here, up. Once you get that cross over here, the pattern is out again. Cross right there, pattern has peaked. So that's about 5 or 6 different ways showing you that this energy is peaking out May 13th, and I think we can easily settle up between 10.5, 10.2, somewhere in there, definitely north of $10,000. I don't think Bitcoin is done going up. We do have this nice catch base in here, this little green line that's still pushing us up and to the right. Now, at some point in time, we will need to consolidate and cool off. I'm thinking that after we hit 10.7, we'll probably do something like this. And then we'll look to see if Bitcoin wants to stay north of 9.6. But as long as we're north of $9,600, $95.50, then this is an uptrend, right? You want to be playing it to the up. Once we break under 96.50, then we probably have another catch basin right around 88. Once we break under that, we got another one, a real strong one here between 82 and 84. It's going to be hard for Bitcoin to get lower than $8,200 given a outside the realm of a catastrophic sell-off. Like if you get Wall Street, selling off like 8% in a day, some black swan event, whatever they decide to label it, just robbing from the people, then yes, you can see Bitcoin easily, sell under $8,200. But given these fundamentals and these technicals, I think Bitcoin is very, 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 satisfied here north of $9,500. So again, these are the technical analysis I do. I try to make it real easy, real informative, educational, enlightening, and amazing, entertaining. So if you appreciate that, I appreciate you. Smash that red button for me one time. Let's make some money, man. This is what I do. The profit package. I tell you, I got the top 7 coins to swing trade every 7 days. I tell you, men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie, right? This is the list I put out. I cropped out the rest of them, so you don't need to worry about that. But the number 2 coin on this list for May 1st was Digibyte. DGB. I told my people, I gave them the bird call, said, buy Digibyte. You know how they clap their hands, make them pigeons fly when the block get hot? That's what I did right here. You know what I'm saying? This thing was down around 171. May 1st, right? And actually, I gave it to him midnight, like the night before. But we can move this up May 1st right there, just so it's nice and clean. You know what I'm saying? Gave a buy on the boss method. Bam! Right? This thing ran, no joke, 51% in 5 days, right? Even on this little pullback, you're still up 39% in 6 days, right? And if you would have jumped out at the top, right? You're up 70% in 5 days. This is what I do. I try to help you find the most effective and efficient way possible to be prosperous and profitable in the marketplace, right? And DGB was no exception. Now, I didn't personally get on this coin because it's on Bittrex, and so that was one of the stipulations that I gave people. I was like, if you have money on Bittrex, and to be honest, I might send some money over there just so I could play this damn coin, because I don't think it's done making money. So if you want to know if Digibyte is on the list for the next profit package, I will tell you right now, yes, it will be. This is a cool off for it. We are hitting a probably a 4 peak. This is getting up there, but if you count waves, let's see if I can do this without messing it up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5, right? So then you come back from 5, right? Come back from 5, and you're gonna have this little supplement area similar to what you had in here, and then guess what? That's gonna start a fresh wave, right? Or at least get you right back up there to where it has to make a decision. Do you want to take it even higher, or do you want to come back down to where you just came from? Regardless, I think Digibyte is a very, very, very good buy for the month of May, at least the first half of May, while Bitcoin is still treading water, going positive. And once Bitcoin goes down, you could see Digibyte return to its glory and hit this thing upside the head, come north of 300 Satoshis, right? So that's your freebie for the day. If you made it this far in the video, the profit package is available. I'm coming out with a new list right after this video. I try to get it to my people early. I say it come out every Friday. I normally get them to them around 7-8 p.m. on Thursday night. If you want to sign up for that list, we just had some new community members join today. Do it on bossofbitcoin.com. Scroll down the profit package, top 7 coins to swing trade every 7 days. And if you have probably, I would say at least $3,000, $4,000 and up, then the VIP trading group is for you. This is literally a 24-hour community with active traders, some of the best traders in the world that have learned and mastered my method. We are making money in the market. That is our number one goal, right? So these guys get, more or less 18 damn hours a day access to me. I'm sitting on this computer all day trying to help these guys make some money, and we got some we got some movers, shakers, and some money makers in this group. So if you want to be one of them, or at least you want to sit at the table, you know what I'm saying, and eat with us, bam, there you go. Boss alert messages, sign up, you know what I'm saying, come on in, the doors are always open. Who want to shout out? That's what we doing, man. I told y'all back when I would do these live streams, have 400, 500, 600 people live on the air. I get my shout outs. Now YouTube doesn't siphon me off. I say, fuck YouTube. I'm running a library, one of the top damn authors on there at Bitcoin on Library. Holla at your boy. But nonetheless, I still give my people some shine whenever I can. So here we go. This is our shout out list. Let me see. Oh, and then they didn't even have my damn tags working, right? I had to email this woman, you know what I'm saying? And she comes hit me back with the damn COVID-19 and done put everybody out of work so we can't control our own algorithm anymore. That don't make no damn sense. YouTube, y'all ain't even really got no office. Everybody, 90% of y'all workers are digital. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody work on the internet, so it's not like they working from their living room, so they can fix this problem from their living room. They all connected to the internet. YouTube, you an internet company. Come on. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. We go take our talents elsewhere. You know what I'm saying? More on that coming later. But here we go. Let's get our shout out game in. Not too many people actually simply just shouted out their city. My man London, Big Stewart coming from London. Good to see you on that side of the pond. Denver Crypto Music Stand Up. Bob Builder want to know Theta and DGB. Guess what, Big Bob? You just got your question answered on this one right here. You the boss. Appreciate it. Jimmy Dice. Good to see you. My man Francisco. And did we have any more? We ain't got too many people shouting out their city, man. I appreciate the love. I'll get back to the comments individually, but if you ain't gonna shout out your city out, then, you know what I'm saying, I can't give you no shine. So there you go, everybody. Thank you for watching this long. Make sure you subscribe on Library. Follow me on there if you haven't done it already. And then if you want to, just join the eclectic community, get started setting up, make money on the blockchain. Telegram group is on before you as well. With that being said, everybody, it's that time of the day signing out. Boast. Boy BK, no matter where you stay, Brazil to Bay, California, yeah. All the way back out through Germany. Good night, good morning, and good day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. Smash that like button. Join the money team. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe right now. Follow me over on Library where they ain't, you know what I'm saying, squashing me out. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting some shine over at LBRY, so that's where I'm going to take my talents. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. Till we meet again. Stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.
Like a boss.
Huh.